Welcome to this transformative guided healing by Denise Dunleavy. Find a comfortable space, set your intention, and let this be a moment dedicated to your well-being. Relax, settle in, and open yourself to the healing journey ahead. Start by taking a few deep breaths. With each out breath, let your body relax. Notice how your body feels. Relax your forehead. Relax your shoulders. Relax your legs. Become aware of any place in your body where you are holding tension and send relaxation to that area. You are going to create a grounding cord. Visualize or imagine an energetic cord that starts at the base of your spine and goes down through the chair you are sitting on, through the floor, and into the ground beneath you. This cord is going to continue all the way down to the center of the earth and connect you with nature and Mother Earth energy. Feel how this pulls you towards the earth and creates a feeling of grounding. You can release anything you don't need down this grounding cord to be cleared from your body and energetic space. Set the intention to let go. Release anything that doesn't serve you and let it flow down the grounding cord where it will go to the center of the earth and burn up into pure light and love. Observe the flow. Is it fast or slow? Where do you feel movement? Is it in your body, or below, or beside you? Do you notice any colors or sensations? If there is anything specific that you want to release, please send it down the grounding cord now. This can be anger, fear, doubt, attachment, judgment. Set the intention to release and heal what does not support your best self. Shift your focus now to your aura, the energetic space around your body, extending 3 to 5 feet on each side, including above and behind you. Take a moment to sense this space, paying special attention to the area behind and below you, because we often push our energy forward. Visualize your aura as a radiant golden circle of light encompassing this energetic field. This circle both creates space for your energy to fill and establishes a protective boundary, keeping other people's energy outside. Expand your energy to meet and fill this space. You deserve to take up your rightful space in the universe. Make sure your golden circle is strong. Look for any holes or weak points. If you find weak spots, envision the circle growing brighter and stronger, reinforcing the protective embrace around your energetic field. Now let's explore the presence of any energetic cords. Imagine that you are looking at yourself and look for or notice any cords that are attached to part of your body. How many are there? Are they thick or thin? Where are they in the body? Which way are they going? You don't have to know what is on the other end of the cord, but please feel into your intuition and ask whether these cords need to be cut. Some cords serve a purpose, so you may get a no. If you get a yes, set the intention to remove and heal any and all cords that are not helpful. Imagine reaching over and pulling the cords out of your body. Send a healing ball of energy to the hole that is left by the cord. Let it heal and infuse fresh energy. Request the cord to return to its origin with peace and love, knowing that these old connections can no longer hold you back. Now it is time to balance the chakras. As you envision each chakra, imagine it being strong, vibrant, and glowing. Notice if it seems dim or dark, and bring in the energy to make it bright, to match the energy and harmony of the other chakras. Begin with the root chakra, located at the base of your spine. Envision a vibrant red energy radiating from this center, grounding you to the earth. Feel a sense of stability and security as you connect with the earthly energy beneath you. Move up to the sacral chakra, just below the navel. Picture an orange glow emanating, awakening your creativity and passion. Allow this energy to flow freely, embracing the joy of creation and the pleasures of life. Continue to the solar plexus chakra, situated at the upper abdomen. Visualize a warm yellow light, igniting your personal power and confidence. Feel the strength within, empowering you to overcome challenges and manifest your desires. Shift your focus to the heart chakra, located at the center of your chest. Picture a soothing green light fostering love and compassion. Allow this energy to expand, connecting you with a profound sense of love for yourself and others. As you ascend to the throat chakra, at the base of your throat, imagine a serene blue glow. Feel your voice becoming clear and authentic, expressing your thoughts and emotions with ease. Let the energy of truth and communication flow through you. Proceed to the third eye chakra, positioned between your eyebrows. Envision an indigo light opening your intuition and insight. Trust your inner wisdom and guidance as you connect with a deeper understanding of yourself and the world. Finally, reach the crown chakra at the top of your head. Picture a radiant violet light connecting you to the divine and universal consciousness. Feel a sense of oneness with the universe, transcending beyond the physical and into the realm of pure awareness. Take a moment to feel the joy of being grounded, clear, and balanced. Sit here in this peace for a few moments. As you gently conclude this meditation, begin to transition your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the energy of the space around you. Start to wiggle your fingers and toes, inviting a gentle awakening. Slowly open your eyes and allow the outside world to greet you once more. As you return to the external reality, carry with you the warmth of gratitude for the healing energy you've cultivated within. Acknowledge the power of this moment and let the positive vibrations resonate within your being. Carry this harmonious energy with you into your day, knowing that the healing you've created within will continue to unfold and radiate throughout your life. Whenever you need a moment of calm, remember the sanctuary you've built within yourself.